Hi, do you know how much saving do you need for your retirement or financial freedom? Hi, my name is Yomi. I'm here today to tell you one easy formula to calculate how much money you need for your retirement. I'm here to empower you to achieve financial freedom, and I will use simple mindset and easy steps to do it. It's absolutely for the beginner and someone who wants a simple step to achieve financial freedom. If you want more control of your time, if you want more freedom to pursue your dream, your passion, just like what I'm doing now, this is for you. Financial freedom is not about how much money we have in the bank account. It's all about the cash flow. So financial freedom actually means passive income more than the expenses. So are you ready to know the formula now? How much you need for your retirement? Okay, so basically one professor from MIT, his name called William Bankes. In 1994, he has a immense one theory called 4% rule. So the theory means we put the saving in the bonds or index fund. Every year we withdraw 4% from the fund for our expenses. So the formula is monthly expenses times 12 times 25. So for example, my monthly expenses is 3,000. Then we times 12, we times 25, the answer is 900,000. So I need 900,000 for the retirement. And every year I can withdraw 4%. So 900,000 times 4% is 36,000. So we divided by 12. At the end, we will find 3,000 back every month for our expenses. So the 4% rule, you have two reminders. One is the investment return percentage has to be similar. Sometimes when we have in case we have war, we have pandemic, maybe the investment return will decrease. Or also the expenses assumption is more or less the same. So basically we don't want the unexpected expenses. For example, maybe you have more babies or you have a wedding or hospital expenses. So with this kind of unexpected expenses, basically we need to recalculate the 4% rule because the expenses go up in general speaking. So the 4% rule basically give us a simple idea, a simple picture for how much we need for our retirement. It's very good tools. So now I give you a few seconds to calculate the amount. Remember the formula is monthly expenses times 12 times 25. Yes, now you have the number. What do you think? Is it achievable? Well, it is a big lump sum. If you don't have this amount this moment, don't worry. Most of the people, they don't have it. So in my next video, I will give you a simple tools to calculate when you can retire without this big lump sum. And if you want to have more this kind of free video about financial freedom or positive mindset, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, YM channel, and please help me to share the channel to your financial freedom buddy. And I see you in the next video. Let's grow and be rich and successful together. See you in the next video. Bye.